Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off GitHub Copilot. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now we will be needing to open our VS Code. And as you can see, you will already have your GitHub Copilot extension that will be already added. And basically you will want to disable it. In my case, I have disabled it, and you can do that either by clicking on disable, and that would turn off your GitHub Copilot. So as you can see now, I have enabled it, and now it's working. You can ask your Copilot to do whatever you like, etc. Now, if you want to turn off Copilot, you will be needing just to simply disable the extension, and it will be turned off. And of course, there is the GitHub Copilot and there is the GitHub Copilot chat, and they are the same extension. So if we disable this, we will see that we are not able to use it, and you will be needing just to click use Copilot for free or sign in with your GitHub account, and I will just click on continue, and automatically it will be enabled again. So as you can see, now it's getting Copilot ready and it got enabled with my account. And now we can start like adding files. As you can see, you can choose the model that you would like and you can start adding the chat, etc. And as we said, to turn it off, you can simply just go to this icon and basically you can see the limits, etc. And you can also start editing with Copilot, etc. And we will be needing just to search for our extension, and we click here on disable or disable just on a specific workspace, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.